is academic probation to academic weapon. Let me show you how I went from failing all my classes freshman year to getting straight A's 4 semesters in a row. Absolute number one tip is to fill every gap in your day with an activity. You should be working on different things between classes, before classes, after classes. When there is free time in your schedule, you should be studying something, sending emails, printing something, researching something. Let's go. Here's a look at my schedule from the spring 2025 semester. You can see I've got my classes on there, but in between classes, I've got things like finish a discussion post, take a quiz, work on flashcards, attend this meeting, send this email, pick up the mail, all kinds of things. And the structured app even has this handy to-do function where if something comes up throughout your day, you just need to quickly jot it down to remind yourself. You can go on there, and then throughout the day you can see any last minute things that came up that you need to work on. Okay, let's take a look at my schedule for the upcoming fall 2025 semester. I know I've only got 4 classes, but I am a super senior, so my schedule is pretty light. Let's see how I put it into the app. What I really like about structure is that it's easy to set repeated things in your schedule. For example, classes that meet, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday. It's very easy to do that. So Spanish, 12:30 to 1:30. It meets Tuesday and Thursday, and I set the color for it. I like to color code my schedule as much as possible too. It just helps visually, so you can kind of like associate each class with a different color. I've got this class 2:30 to 3, and then I've got it Tuesday, Thursday as well. Then I've got clinical psychology, and I've got this class from 4 to 5 p.m. and it meets Tuesday, Thursday as well. I'll also go back and add in the times I want to eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and the times I want to wake up daily. I also include my workouts. So then once I've got the basics with my classes and my basic obligations of eating and sleeping, I can go in and fill in those extra gaps. And you can do this. Sometimes you are able to do it a week before. If you know you've got a project coming up, you can say, I'm going to work on this Monday, Wednesday, Friday for an hour. That's easy. Or sometimes you just do it the night before where you're like, I really got to get started on this paper tomorrow. I'm going to set aside 2 hours tomorrow to just go ahead and get started on that. College students are so busy. I know my schedule will be filled up with club meetings, research, assignments I need to do, classes, just all kinds of stuff. So it definitely helps to know what you're going to be doing for the next day. It helps you to feel more productive and have a plan. And when you're thinking ahead, you never forget something. With this method, I turn in every single assignment early. No matter what it is, a paper or a project, I always get it in early.